You need to go outside?
You recording? How long will we record for?
Forever. And never. And never. And never.
Just gonna go in the kitchen and sit over here.
Huh?
Just gonna go in the kitchen.
What do you think she will?
Sit right there.
Oh.
Hi, Kia. Hi, girl. That's a really good girl. Oh my gosh! There's your surprise! I told you!
So who do you gotta know to get a beer around this joint?
I told you, didn't I tell you? She said, let's go to the 7 o'clock thing. I said, no, I have a surprise for you today.
Oh, yeah, I'm surprised, all right.
Happy Mother's
Anybody
Day.
else around here?
Happy Mother's